Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very good morning to students. Sit down. Today we are here to discuss about the importance of Qurbani, which is also known as the ritual sacrifice of animals, performed by Muslims during the festival of Eid al-Adha. As we know, many Muslims perform Qurbani in these days, and they will perform Qurbani till the day of judgment. So let's discuss about the importance of Qurbani and the main concept and the subject of the importance of Qurbani. There are some points about this festival. Let's move to the first point, obedience and devotion to Allah. And the second is Qurbani commemorates the willingness of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam to sacrifice his son Prophet Ismail alayhi salam in the obedience of Allah commands. The third is charity and compassion act of Qurbani. It's promoted through the meat distributed in family, friends, those who need. The fourth is spiritual purification, performing Qurbani, asking Allah forgiveness and mercy. The Qurbani is multifaceted that combines faith, unity and charity. Student, so I am going to ask some questions. Let's see who knows the answers. Do you know the history of Eid al-Adha?
In the blessed month of Zulhijjat al-Haram, the beloved Khalilullah, Sayyiduna Ibrahim alayhi salam, with his beloved son, Sayyiduna Ismail alayhi salam, set a unique example of patience, contentment and gratitude and sacrifice for the sake of Allah. On the 8th night of Zulhijjah, Sayyiduna Ibrahim alayhi salam dreamed that someone said, "Indeed, Allah Almighty has ordered you to sacrifice your son." On the 9th night of Zulhijjah, Ibrahim alayhi salam had the same dream. After Ibrahim alayhi salam had the same dream once again, on the 10th night of Zulhijjah, Ibrahim alayhi salam made a firm intention to act upon the dream and to sacrifice his son.
Your answer is right. Say Subhanallah. Next, move to the second question. What was the Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam response? Who knows the answer? Raise your hands.
Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salam asked his beloved son Sayyidina Ismail alayhi salam, who himself was very submissive to the will of Allah, said, "O my father, do what you are commanded to do. You will find me patient." When Ibrahim alayhi salam was sacrificed his son, Allah Almighty sent a lamb and the lamb was sacrificed instead. The order was a test from Allah. However, with His mercy, Allah saved the life of Hazrat Sayyidina Ismail alayhi salam, and his father Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salam passed this divine test of faith.
Next, move to the third question. What is significance of Eid al-Adha? Yes, you. Who knows the answer? Who will know?
It emphasizes the importance of obedience and submission to Allah's will. The Qurbani of Eid al-Adha reflects to Ibrahim alayhi salam, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, willingness to sacrifice his son Ismail alayhi salam, and serves as the importance of selflessness and giving. Qurbani carries much wisdom. Firstly, the basic meaning of Islam is to have a complete submission to the divine command which the Qurbani actually demands. Secondly, it involves eating and feeding to the destitute.
The next question is, some people comment on Qurbani. What is your opinion?
Moving on, some people comment in this way that the act of Qurbani kills animals and wastes money. This amount should be spent for any national cause or be given to the poor. First thing is that Allah Azza wa Jal knows this benefit and loss better than us. Rather, Allah Azza wa Jal has commanded us to do. So therefore, the blessed commandment is most honorable to us. Second thing is that distributing meat among the poor has been declared a mustahab act by Islamic law.
Excellent. When is Eid al-Adha?
Eid al-Adha is celebrated on 10th day of Dhul Hijjah, the 12th month of the Islamic lunar calendar leading up to Eid al-Adha. Muslims engage in various rituals including Eid al-Adha prayer and Qurbani. They prepare for the sacrificial ritual by purchasing an animal such as sheep, goat, etc. Common customs and traditions include cleaning of home, wearing new clothes and exchanging gifts with family and friends. Hajj, the annual pilgrimage to Makkah, is the central aspect of Eid al-Adha for those Muslims who are physically and financially capable.
MashaAllah, nice way of answer. The next question is, what is the rule of Qurbani in Islam?
From the Fajr of 10 Zulhijjah till the sunset of 12 Zulhijjah, if there is a Muslim who is Baligh or resident and who possesses the Nisab, and the Nisab is besides any debts or essentials, then Qurbani will be wajib in this case. It is wajib to recite Takbir Tashriq loudly. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. After every Fard Salah from the Fajr of 9 Zulhijjah until the Asr of the 13th of Zulhijjah.
Subhanallah. On which day is superior to perform Qurbani? Who will answer?
It is permissible to perform Qurbani on all 3 days of Eid al-Adha. However, it is more superior on the first day. Butchers generally charge more on the first day. That is why some people leave the superior action for the sake of little money and perform Qurbani on second or third day of Eid. Like this, just to save a bit of money despite purchasing an expensive animal.
MashaAllah. The last one is, do you know how to celebrate Eid al-Adha?
On the day of Eid al-Adha, Muslims gather for special Eid al-Adha prayer at Masjid. This prayer followed by sermon delayed by the Imam. The sacrificial tradition involves the slaughter of an animal with a portion of meat distributed to the needy. Then acts symbolize Muslims' willingness to give up something valuable for the sake of Allah Almighty. After prayers and the sacrificial rituals involve the slaughter of an animal with a portion of meat distributed to the needy. After prayers and the sacrificial rituals, families come together to celebrate with feasting, socializing, exchanging greetings and gifts.
Subhanallah, nice answer. Your response is very good. May Allah increase your knowledge and may Allah Almighty grant us and all the Muslim Tawfiq to celebrate Eid obeying according to Shariat law. Thank you.
Dear parents, MIMS invite all interested students and parents to apply for admission, as admissions are open for the session 2024 and 2025 for all classes nursery to 10th, boys and girls.